Yo, what's going on, guys and girls? It's your boy Cam Legend, and in this video I'm going to be speaking about NoFap, No Not November, sexual transmutation, and how this relates to astrology. So we know that No Not November is a practice that we see every year by men. They hold their sexual energy, which builds discipline, magnetism, electromagnetism, cultivation to manifest. And it's no coincidence that it's in the month of November. November holds the energies of Scorpio. In astrotheology, which is what most of these religious books are speaking about, like the Bible, we know that Aries is the head, Taurus is the face, Gemini is your shoulders, that's why it's known as the twins, and your organs, your sexual organs is Scorpio. Scorpio is a water sign, which is symbolic for your bodily fluids. Without your organs, your body wouldn't be organized. So this practice brings organization, discipline, magnetism. And if you're a magician, you know the power of utilizing belief systems, but not worshiping them. And if thousands and thousands of men are doing this practice, you should be involved, because this campaign has faith and belief behind it. But not only that, it has a real science. So you should piggyback off this philosophy, okay? But we already know this practice is powerful on its own. This is why boxers, months before they fight, they leave their wife and family and they live in a training camp alone, like a monk, and they cultivate this sexual energy. And that's why a lot of them that do this practice say they already saw themselves winning before they even put on the gloves, right? So this is a very powerful practice. If you have a partner, this should be the month for you to start practicing having sex without ejaculating. I don't want to make this video more graphic than it already is, but with ejaculation comes pleasure. Sexual energy is one of the most powerful, pleasurable practices we have internally, right? And we know that cultivating this energy has many powerful effects on the man. This is why if a man wakes up and he feels demotivated, it usually means he has low testosterone levels. And what is testosterone? Testosterone is a hormone that is linked to your sexual energy, right? So there's certain things we can do to boost that. Running, staying fit, using your physical energy to do things. Even having sex without ejaculation, that's tantra. You know, you're building up your stamina and things of this nature, you know. You don't always have to go for a 10-mile run. You could just have, you could have a marathon in the bedroom, you know what I'm saying, without squirting. So this is it. You want to try something new and have support of this belief system to help it come forthright and see what you can do. We see certain magicians and alchemists speak about, you know, ejaculating and fapping to charge up certain sigils and manifestations, which do work. But this is still slightly counterproductive, because if this is a practice you do all the time, you're lowering your aura and your magnetic energy. Okay, if you do it once or twice, yeah, it definitely works, but this isn't something you really want to be doing, because this can now just become a habit that you do just as an excuse to fap off, right? So try reverse the polarity, go inwards. It's harder, but it comes with higher rewards, okay? So yeah, I'll keep this video moving. If you like this video, press the like button, comment, share, subscribe. And if you're in any help or for any more information on the services I provide, they're in the description below. Peace.